Hey, Roger the Real Deal guy here. How are we? Keeping well. Look, blue sky still, sun's still out, wind's got up, so it's got a little bit chilly, but we're not going to complain at this because with weather like this, it's still glorious. So, what are we looking at today? I am going to show you around this magnificent holiday home behind me. It's the brand new 2020 ABI Ryedale. It's a 39-foot long, 12-foot wide, 3-bedroom model. Beautifully finished, some lovely features. It really is a magnificent holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity, and as most of you will know by now because you've seen these videos and you're sick of this face, we are literally 15 minutes from the M5. 15 minutes from the M5 and you get to come and get your own little piece of heaven here at Holiday Resort Unity. Well, enough of me gabbling on about that. Let's go through and have a look at this magnificent holiday home. Come with me. Wow, I know, great, eh? Wow, people, look at the light that's coming through the front end of this holiday home. With all them massive windows that lets the light flood in. So you've got side window, you've got a window again above the dining, and you've got this fabulous feature with your fire, your place for your TV, some lovely storage. But just look at the light coming in. Look at the lovely finish and the magnificent colour designs. They've just got faded and everything else like that. This great corner sofa. So lovely dining area. Into the kitchen again. Great amounts of storage. Good prep space. It's fabulous. Obviously your integrated fridge freezer. But this really is such a social space. So you can easily be entertaining, cooking, dining, whole family get together, friends, however you want to do. It really, really does work. Right, enough about this magnificent part. Let's go down and have a look at the bedroom. Look at the length of this hallway. It's brilliant. It's a lovely hallway. Into the master bathroom, or the main bathroom, should I say, sorry. Great size shower, sink, WC. And the first of the twins. Again, lovely finish, you know, really well thought out and designed. Good size singles, bedside, full length wardrobe. Yeah. Lovely, lovely space. Then into the next twin. Again, great space, really does work. Comes with wardrobe as well. Obviously you've got storage under bed in both of these bedrooms, which really does work. And then into your master. And look at that. Look at the light that comes flooding through this main window. Bedside cabinets. Great size bed. Ability to store underneath. But you don't need to, because look at the size of these wardrobes. You know, great amounts of hanging space. Drawers underneath. It really is fabulous. Dressing table, mirror, and then your ensuite WC with little sink and everything else. It really does tick all the boxes. But as you can see, even when you come down the hallway here, look at the light that's flooding in from the lounge area. It really is a fabulous holiday home by ABI with some refined finishes. It's just lovely. So this is the magnificent brand new 2020 ABI Ryedale. 39-foot long, 12-foot wide, 3-bedroom model. Great master with the great amounts of storage in the wardrobe and the ensuite WC. The two good-sized twin rooms that get some versatility in so that all the family can use. Then into the main bathroom, again, lovely size. But all the way back to this fabulous living, dining, kitchen area that really is a social space, really is open, well designed, well thought out. Light floods in through these massive windows behind me. It really is a stunning holiday home. Now, if you want to find out about this or any other holiday homes we do, because obviously holiday homes here at Holiday Resort Unity start from as little as £19,995, you've got to pick up the phone and give me a call. 07493 098 497. Pick up the phone, give me a call. Ask about questions about holiday homes. Ask about how does it work. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to assist you into holiday home ownership here at Holiday Resort Unity, because we are literally 15 minutes from the M5. We've got the best facilities in the southwest. It really is a fantastic place to be. If you don't want to call or you don't want to text, you can send me an email. roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Again, answer anything you want. Or don't forget, people, check me out on YouTube, Roger the Real Deal Guy, because I have an array of holiday homes on there. New, used, 2-bed, 3-bed, basically to show you what you can get here at Holiday Resort Unity. And from that, I just want you to say thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. And don't forget, people, it's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.